What's up, YouTube? Here we are back again at the channel. Y'all know it's the Dark Knight Garage. So today, as you all see the thumbnail, we will be whipping the Jailbreak, the 23, the last call for the very first time. I haven't whipped it yet, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be pretty crazy because honestly, my old Hellcat, I ain't gonna lie, it's a hell of a lot different because for one, it's on bags, you know what I'm saying? It's on bags. Two, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's loud as hell. It's got both mufflers cut. It's just, I feel like it's gonna be a whole different ride. I'm not really used to this. I feel like this is gonna be a whole lot smoother though, as y'all can, you know what I'm saying, kind of imagine. Like I said, the bags are on that, it's airlift, so it's a little bit different. Even like when I let people drive it, they said it's different. So we're gonna be in this one today. Finna get the first ride for y'all. Now, on the last episode, I had like issues of cranking it up when I first got it, like it wouldn't even turn over. So I got both keys. I got the black key and I got the red key. So I'm gonna try to crank it up on the red key. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes people say you shouldn't, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna crank it up on the red key even though it's new. It's only got like 27 miles. I feel like that shouldn't really affect it, you know what I'm saying? So we finna cut it on right now and we're gonna see if it actually turned over this time. It's quiet too. Not bad. This bone stop. Brand new. So we still gonna cruise. I know we're gonna take it easy. But like I said, it ain't even at 500 miles yet. It's not even at 100 miles yet. You know what I'm saying? So we still hella low. So we're gonna drive it, you know what I'm saying, smooth. We ain't gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, hard, you know what I'm saying? It's a baby. Gotta crawl before you can walk, man. And walk before you can run. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, cool. So, you know what I'm saying, we got it out. We tried to gloss the wheels, but it really didn't work out like that. But yeah, we're gonna be putting on some other wheels, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take out the stock wheels, but yeah, man, it's completely fishbowl. Y'all can see how this shit look. We bring it crazy. We bring the nuts in first. I'm gonna take this out too. I'm gonna put on my other look, so I'm gonna take that out. Even though I do look crazy, man, the paint look crazy. Yeah, I see the emblem, the black on there. So on the inside, it should look crazy on the inside. All that red. We still got the paper on the floors. This shit brand new. You know what I'm saying? Alcantara steering wheel. Shit like that. Right here, we still got the satin right here. Satin Dodge. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to gloss all this shit. I'm trying to make all this shit glossy. To match this shit. You know, regular shit. You know what I'm saying? We got a black key now right here. We gotta go black on these. On the side markers. Low key, I ain't gonna lie, we gotta tint the headlights again. Alright, so we definitely gotta black these out. And then it's crazy because right here, if y'all look at it close, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's so black right there. Like, look at that. That's dark. Like, that's like you tell right there. That shit look crazy. You know what I mean? Oh, my favorite part, you know. We went red on the seatbelts now. You know what I'm saying? Double red, that shit look crazy. I wish my other one would have came like that. But anyway, we finna hop in. We finna go for the first drive ever in the new car. Like I said, oh, show them that. It's got 27 miles. 27 miles on it. You know what I'm saying? 27 miles on the odometer. You feel me? So yeah, that's what we finna do. We finna hop in it the first time. You know what I'm saying? Do a little whip around, man. So let's do it. All right, y'all. So before we get started, you know what I'm saying? This is the official window sticker. 2023 Charger SRT. Redeye wide body Jailbreak. So the base price, you know what I'm saying, 77,000. Alright. Then you got all these options, they just come with the car, you know what I'm saying? This is standard equipment. So you really don't start upping the price until you get over here into all the additional things that were added. So you got the navigation and travel group. That was $995,000 bucks, you know what I'm saying? The hardened carbon, the audio group, like the stereo sound system, that was $1995, all right? Demonic red seats was $395. The seat belts was $395. What we got right here? This is the mats. My mats are like black and red. Those was $99. The power sunroof was $19.95. The spoiler, bro, what the hell? The spoiler, the matte black spoiler, which I didn't even want, was $9.95. Instead of it being gloss black, I think it would have came free. Like, it would have came with the car. So. The gloss black painted roof, I thought it was goddamn. I honestly thought it was wrap because it looked like a wrap when you look at it, but I guess it's gloss black painted, and that itself was $9.95. All right. No, $1,500. My bad. $1,500. They got it so close together. It was $1,500 for the painted roof, and then the badging, how I got the badges blacked out, those was $199. You know what I'm saying? $199. All right. So the where we at right here? We at the black Charger exhaust tips. Those was only $99. That's pretty far. All right. The Alcantara steering wheel with the red LED logo, that was $200. So the 305 3520 front and rear 3-season tires was $695. I don't think I got that on the last one. Hell no, I ain't get that. I don't think so. No, no. The black brake calipers, which I prefer red a lot of times. Well, I did prefer red on my last one. Those came standard. So when they got these painted black, they were $595. All right, so $595, and then the gas guzzler tax every single time they're gonna hit you for $2,100. All right. Destination charge, what the hell? $15.95. I guess that's from shipping it, like getting it from to the spot was $15.95. Not my house, but to, you know what I'm saying, I guess to the dealership. So then the total price came up to $101,741. All right, so $101,741. That shit crazy. And then on top of that, you know, they upmark them all because, you know what I'm saying, they're fucking evil. You feel me? So they hit your ass again for another $15K. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Fuck this shit. Let's go. Right. All right, y'all. So immediately off the bat, what I notice is it's a little bit different, like when I'm looking at it, versus when I'm in my other car, because there's no real carbon fiber right here. Also, like just looking up here, looking up front, it is red. All right. So you do got the red jailbreak sign. So those are the first two things. Also, driving it is a hell of a lot smoother, y'all. Like it's not like my other one, because right now I would be feeling the rumble the whole time. It would be popping. I don't know, it's louder, you feel me? So you do feel that rumble. Also, you feel it like bouncing quite a bit when I'm in my other one, just because of the fact is like I got the airlift on there. So right now it feel like we just sliding down the road, you know what I'm saying? It's not like we're not bouncing or nothing like that. It's not like a hell of a flexible ride, you know what I'm saying? So with this one, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, we not gonna bag it. We gonna do springs. But yeah, man, it's a smooth ride. Like, it's smooth as hell. Alright, so we still got that 220 on the dash, you know what I'm saying? All red eyes, jailbreaks, the 807. They got that 220 on the dash, just like any other red eye, honestly. The white trimming on here, that's still the same. Yeah, as far as driving, it's smooth as hell. So the ride, it still feel like, you know what I'm saying, like it feel like it's good, healthy car, you know what I'm saying? You can hear the whining to the whining. You can still hear it crying. Like I said, these red eyes come with that open intake on the Charger, same as my other one. Of course, I can't get like fully in it just because it's so new, but you know what I'm saying? You still can hear the whine like at a low RPM, so it still sounds good. It still got that cat sound to it. It is a little different though. Looking at the bright green hood, like, I don't know, like I haven't been in a bright green car in a long time, like since the Sting, since I first got it. I was a little while ago, but yeah, it feel different. It feel cool though. You know what I'm saying? They get a lot of looks. Alright, y'all, we just pulled to the gas station. I'm finna hop out, walk y'all around the car again. Man, we super fishbowl on this shit, like super fishbowl, like shit crazy, super fishbowl. Okay. Alright, YouTube, we pulled up to the gas station. They got a car wash too. So what we finna do right now, I'm finna go ahead and get the car washed. Even though it look like it's finna rain, it ain't gonna matter because I'm gonna put it in the garage. But we finna wash Big Slimy. You know what I'm saying? Get it nice and shined up. We're going to throw it right back in the garage. Because like I said, I'm really not going to pull it out for real until it's done. So that's my goal, to have the whole car finished before I really pull it out and go to anything. So right now we got the wraps in the work. It's going to be up there at the wrap shop in like a week or so. We're going to get the whole car wrapped, protect the paint, make it look crazy as well. It's going to be a crazy wrap. So yeah, we're going to have it wrapped. And then after that, you know, I'm going to be I'm going to send it straight to my boy, Mucho, and we're going to do all the lighting on the car. Also, we might go ahead and do I don't know, I might leave the fishbowl just to be different. You know what I'm saying? Have all the guts showing. I might leave the fishbowl. Y'all let me know what y'all think on that. But basically, we only got to go to two places for real. Now we got to go to 3 places, the wrap shop. And then we got to go to the, I'm probably going to do the calipers and make them custom, nice and custom like on my other Jailbreak. And then we're going to go to a Mucho for the lighting and stuff like that. So we're going to go to 3 shops and the car will be completely done. But I'm finna walk y'all around. We finna get the wash. And yeah, let's do it. Man, that shit look crazy, man. That shit look crazy. I don't know. I'm just not used to seeing no lime green cats, especially like nothing wide body. Y'all know the wide body didn't drop until 2023 with this green color. So it's still new as hell to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't used to it. That shit look crazy. That boy looking like, what the hell? Tax his ass. He got red eye, tax his ass. I don't know how much the car wash costs, but they pretty good. You know what I'm saying? They local and they good with the washes. Especially from what I've seen. Yeah, that shit look crazy rolling. Let me get closer. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, y'all, so we back in the car again. And literally, I missed it on camera, but it just did not start up again. Try that shit again real quick. They go off of it? See what I'm saying? Bro. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Not coming on.
A few moments later.
All right, try it again. Them boys tried it, man. Goddamn car won't start. That shit is weird as fuck. That shit won't even start. All right, y'all, so the Redeye is officially being washed up, but as you all see, man, we having some issues. So we got to figure out exactly why the fuck the car won't start, man. Like, this shit brand new, as y'all know, you know what I'm saying? It's a jailbreak, like 20, 30 miles on this bitch. Like, so it's still brand new. But y'all, I'm finna go home and park it. And basically, I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what the hell is going on, what they telling me, because I called the dealership. I'm gonna let y'all know what they saying once we get there. All right, y'all, so we back in the jailbreak, or as I'll call it right now, the jailbroke. So we gotta figure that out, man. I don't know, man. This is the jailbroke as of right now. We gotta change his name right here. And put on my seatbelt. Y'all always remember, you know what I'm saying? Safety first. So, yeah, man, it's crazy because, like I said, it's only having issues starting up. Like, when you just driving, like, regular, you know what I'm saying? It sounds good. It sounds healthy. Like, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got in the car and did no 100 ball. You know what I'm saying? We just driving regular. So, at the end of the day, we haven't touched the paddle shifters. We haven't did nothing. Like, we haven't went in manual mode. So, I don't know why it's doing what it's doing, but I called them and basically, I was gonna tell y'all when I got home. I'm gonna tell y'all now. Basically, they said that, you know, the car's in a warranty, so I can basically, I got like free tolls on there too, so somebody can come tow the car and take it to Dodge. Because I told them I'm not trying to drive the car, you know what I'm saying, like all the way to Dodge. You feel me? Like, I want the car, like I told y'all, to stay like brand new for as long as we can. Like, I'm really trying to preserve the life of this car, so I ain't even trying to drive all the way to Dodge. So, you know what I'm saying, this ain't my fault that this is happening. So how can you all fix this? So he said that basically, you know what I'm saying, they will actually, I got tolls on it, so they'll pick the car up, or they'll attempt to start it. But once they attempt to start this shit, they're gonna see like, okay, yeah, something's going on. So with that being said, they'll tow the car to Dodge, and then Dodge will have to figure it out, bro, because it's under warranty. This car is new, ain't nothing been touched on it, so it's gotta be figured out, man. End of the day. All right, YouTube, so we're going to go ahead and log out for this vlog. I already told y'all exactly what I was going to say when I got here. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all not already. Make sure y'all like this video and drop a comment. All right, right now, you know what I'm saying, we got to figure out what's going on with Jailbreak Yana. That might be on the next episode. I don't know what's on the next episode. Like I said, we're going to have a lot of shit going. So follow the channel, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section. And also follow me on IG at DRK and 1T3. Let's go.